Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have a problem where you need to find the climate control fuses, you have up to 5 fuses, 2 in one fuse box, 3 in another one. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, for the climate control fuses, where you can expect to find them. Now, we'll be working 2 different fuse boxes. Guys, quick reminder, most people that own that generation Dodge Charger do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Charger. What you guys need to do first, open the hood, and when you guys open the hood, facing the engine here on the left side, you see, that's the passenger side, you have a fuse box under that cover. Press these 2 tabs, open that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, specifically we need to check, okay, 2 fuses. Let's zoom in a little bit. Starting this way guys, okay, we're going to have that way fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 is one of them. Then you need to check 39, that fuse here. After that, open guys the trunk, and in the trunk you need to lift the carpet liner. Lift it. On the bottom you have the spare tire, car battery. Next to it you have a fuse box. On the back side next to the negative terminal. That's a closer look. You see that's the fuse box, battery here, the spare tire. Press that tab here, open the cover, and you have another fuse box. Here specifically we need to guys check fuse number 15 right here. And if you come in that row of fuses, the first one is 31, and after that black fuse you have fuse number 32, that blue 15M fuse that's barely visible, check that one, and check fuse number 53, that 10M fuse. All these fuses guys will need to be checked for the heater and the climate control on the Charger. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.